Nicole, if you can't go up in weight, grab your barbell. Grab your barbell for your dumbbell for your biceps. And if you don't have anything else, you don't have a barbell, you don't have higher weights, then get the bands. Okay? Your resistance bands, the colored ones, is your dumbbell. Okay? So when you see me using dumbbells, but you don't have any dumbbells, you need to use the bands because that's your dumbbell. Okay? So that way, I can stop saying, for those of you who don't, that just sounds so stupid. Okay? So we all have the same equipment, right? Those bands is your dumbbell. Okay? So step in the bands. Make sense? Does that make sense? I'll quickly do this with you, so at least you know. All right, so I'm gonna do a blue one. Okay?
Many of you.
This is your dumbbell.
Can I have some more lights on the crowd?
Ready?
See all the way
15.
To the back. There's
15.
some fucking crazy energy going on here tonight.
Same thing with burpee. If you don't have heavier weights and you want to go heavier, you can get, wrong color, the medium pink band, go on the floor, pull, stand up. Since you're not doing biceps, you're gonna pull, down, pull, and pull. Okay? Oh my goodness. You modify every exercise to whatever equipment you have in order to go heavier. Okay? Grab your black band, because we never usually do a black band. I usually go lighter, but now I'm not going light on you anymore. Get your black band. Black band, it says extra heavy on it. Black band. You're gonna, oh yeah, this is gonna hurt. Pull each one. We're only doing 10. Just 10 on each side. Okay, that's your one set. This is another superset. Superset is when we do 2 different exercises, one after another. Third set, grab your light band. So have your light band and your black band next to you. Third set is going to be jumping jacks, and you're going to pull on the bands to do row. Okay? You can even put that on your neck. All right, that's your superset. You got it? So it's 10, okay, for 10. Then it's straight arm for 10. And then jumping jack for 25.